Welcome to As the Crow Flies Hiking. Today I'm going to be doing an overnight camping trip solo. Well, I say solo. I actually have my buddy Biscuit with me. Biscuit's a dog that we took in because a family member couldn't take care of him anymore. So this is the first time I've had him with me. I'd also like to talk about some changes that are coming up on my channel. So let's get started. Me and Biscuit on an overnight camping trip. Let's go. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You good boy. Yeah, good boy. I made it to camp and got everything set up, and it's going to be a very peaceful night. It's a little overcast, kind of drizzling right now, but should be fine. I think it's supposed to clear up overnight. I've got a beautiful stream behind me. Streams kind of converge. And I got my little buddy Biscuit with me. He's roaming around the camp. So on this little adventure overnight, I really came out here to discuss my channel As the Crow Flies Hiking. I was able to do a mini through hike of the Pinhoti Trail in Alabama for 10 days and had a great time. The reason I was able to do that is because I retired from my career job of 23 years and I've taken another job. So, my channel will not probably be as busy as it was over the past 5 years. I think for the past 5 years, I have done a video every week, sometimes even 2 a week. I think I've been very productive with the channel. I've really enjoyed making videos and enjoyed meeting some wonderful people. I've also got to meet some cool people that have companies like Ben from Hilltop Packs and Get Out Gear. They have been really nice to me, and Flextail. Flextail's been super nice to me. And lately I got to meet the Dandy Packs company and the Jacks Are Better Underquilts and Walhalla Hammocks and Outdoors. It's just been a wonderful ride. I'm not planning on ending the channel. I just don't plan on doing a video every week. There's a handful of people that actually watch my videos every week, and I'm so grateful for you. Thanks so much for watching it. I've just had a blast. I actually started this channel because I wanted to document some trips with my kids. They're doing other things, and over the years it's turned into making videos of every trip. I've found though that some of the trips that I do, I like to not do videos on. It gets me more in tune with nature when I'm out. I just kind of want to slow down a bit with that and focus on a new job that I'm doing and hope to do that job for many years. If you've watched As the Crow Flies Hiking and been in tune with every video I do every week, I'm so appreciative of you and your willingness to watch my stupid videos. It has turned into something that is a lot of work, though my favorite thing to do is edit videos, believe it or not. I love to sit down with raw footage and carve out a story in my videos. That is such a cool thing for me, and creating things. So this has been an outlet for me, but starting a new job, I really need to focus on that, and I don't need to be as distracted with making videos all the time. I know sometimes when I'm up late at night editing videos, I think, what am I doing this for? You know, I'm not a huge channel, but I have enjoyed it more for myself, but some other people that have commented have been really nice to me and it made me feel good about what I created. So I thank you very much. I'm not ending the channel. I just wanted to do this video, so if you saw a slowdown of videos every week, you would know why. Because I think a lot of channels just disappear and you're like, what happened? Well, I don't plan on disappearing because I enjoy making the videos too much. I enjoy going on trips a lot, and I do enjoy filming them. at times it's just one of the most wonderful things ever. I'd like to thank all the people that I've met and hike with, but there's just too many to put down in this video. I don't want this video to go on and on. I just wanted those people who actually watch my videos every week to know what I was doing. So that's really all I wanted to say. Hey Biscuit, what you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? So thank you guys again, and you'll see me. I'll do videos, maybe just not every week. Thank you guys for watching As a Crow Flies Hiking, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Hey buddy. Hey buddy.